Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing, and I want to show you how easy it is to fold a fitted sheet. But first, I wanted to give you a sneak preview of how they're going to look in your linen closet. I like to combine the top sheet with the fitted sheet and the pillowcases into these nice, neat little bundles. They're easier to access and they're more visually calming, as opposed to this. Okay, so that's where we're headed, but how do we get there? For starters, as always, give yourself a clear work surface to process your sheets. I like these adjustable tables because they allow me to work at a comfortable height. Now, I've already gone ahead and folded the top sheet because I know you know how to do that, and because I like to use it as a measuring device for the fitted sheet. So I've got my top sheet set up at the end of the table to use as a gauge. Now I'm going to take on the fitted sheet. To understand why this approach works so well, it's important to understand the two challenges of folding a fitted sheet, which are they fold lumpy and they fold ragged. To answer those two challenges are two simple rules: corner to corner and mess in the middle. Here's how that works. You may have seen a lot of fitted sheet videos start this way. Hold up your fitted sheet with your fingers inserted inside the corners lengthwise. Now invert one of those corners and insert it into the other corner. Now do the same with the other corner and set it down on your table. What you've solved is the lumpiness challenge. It's nice and flat. Now there's a school of thought that recommends that you now take this corner and invert it into this corner. I don't find that that maintains the flatness as well as what I'm about to recommend. With this corner inverted and the sheet flat on the table, we've got this L shape, and it's leaving this edge much less ragged, but we can do even better, and that's where the mess in the middle comes in, like this. Now use this top sheet, as I mentioned before, as a guide because it wants to match up in width. Like that. See? Now I got a beautiful straight edge on this side, and now we're just going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so same thing on this side. We're creating this L shape, and same thing, mess in the middle, creating a nice straight edge on this side. And now fold it in the middle, and we should be the exact same width as we are on the top sheet. That's exactly what we want. Now I just do the same thing in the other direction. Mess in the middle, nice straight edge, mess in the middle, nice straight edge. Now I'm leaving a small margin in the middle for the thickness of the pillowcases. You will have a nice, neat bundle that is level with straight edges that you can cap off with your top sheet and have an even neater bundle. Place that on your shelf and you will have a beautifully organized linen closet. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around. If you haven't already, please be sure to download my best-selling organizing book, The Circulation Solution, for free. And if you'd like to get some organizing help through your computer, check out my virtual organizing services. And if you're ready for some COVID-safe, hands-on organizing with our all-new virtual review, contact me for a free virtual consultation.